Hi, this is Andy Filipiuk in Toronto for the week of August the 26th. Earlier this week, the US 30-year Treasury hit an all-time low yield. And this ties in with the greater theme of rates just keep going lower and lower. Last week, I discussed the negative interest rates globally, where we have approximately $16 to $17 trillion of negative yielding bonds. And I equate this to being similar to the Nortel situation 20 years ago, when Nortel was Canada's leader in building the backbone of the internet. It traded at 120 times pro forma earnings and made up 42% of the TSX index, which was just crazy. Now, the reason it stayed at this high level for so long is that there were many money managers that were closet indexers, meaning they tried to keep pace with the index. So they all kind of had to own Nortel. And then the rest is history when it finally blew up. Now, with negative interest rates, I see the same situation. It's totally unnatural, totally unhealthy. And I think the lion's share of it's driven by people managing other people's money, betting on the fact that the government will have to step in and buy more bonds or keep them at this artificially low level. Now, this can work out terribly poorly for investors, like we saw with Jon Corzine at Man Financial, where he bought Italian bonds using the deposits of his own clients and blew up. And then just recently, the Argentina bond, the 100-year bond, that's now trading at about 30 cents on the dollar. So this is a situation that is unsustainable. Up until now, the bond buyers have made money. So if you know the situation is unsustainable, then you've got to plan and try to avoid it. And as long as this situation continues, investors cannot feel comfortable in the prices that they're getting in the market. So as I mentioned last week, you have to reevaluate what you're doing, because this world is not behaving like markets in the past have. There's just far too much artificial pricing going on and speculation as to even more. So it's a great time to be careful, and the fall's coming up, which can often add to the volatility. Thanks for watching.